Alright, now, right here, I'm going to talk about the motions of that, which you don't get. Most of the time, is people will say there's some sort of aerodynamic, but it's not. So, we're going to talk about how in point 2, point 3.9 of dynamic distributions is an introduction of a ductwork, and ductwork makes that. So, that's part of Earth, and that's man-made objects, and it's all ductwork from refrigerant. That's what that is. So, other than that, we're going to go all the way over here. We're going to talk about how the astral fields outside of the solar system is surrounded by rock. So once you escape one rock, you will be in another rock. Then you escape that rock and you're in that escaping. So you continuously have to escape and escape and escape and escape over and over and over again. You never stop having to escape. So escape velocities aren't really that important. It's mostly escaping other factors. And that never ends, so you always have to have pathfinding and trap finding really high. And you don't calculate, you merely just deal with it. So in terms of dealing with it, you would just navigate it. You would not do anything else. And that's about it. Thanks, bye.